art. 75% of our visitors here to the museum don't surf. So we have a big story to tell.
Community of growth. The growth that we're doing and the transitions that we have done as a city has made us what Oceanside is today.
The thing that's really beautiful about this museum, about the Oceanside Museum of Art, is that it was created by volunteers. So a group of Oceanside residents decided to come together and create a museum for the community of Oceanside. I just think it's a really incredible history to have, because it really informs everything that we do here at the museum still 20 years later after it was founded.
What drew us here to Oceanside was the fact that it's a great town. It's nice. It still has the feeling of a small town, and this is pretty unusual in Southern California. And we really enjoyed being here, and we enjoyed the people and the diversity and the beach, of course.
Arts and culture are important to any community, and it's exciting to see Oceanside taking it to heart and being so supportive of the arts.
People love to come here, and it is a phenomenal time to rediscover Oceanside. I'm constantly trying to bring people here to see how up and coming it is.
So we believe that the community of Oceanside will benefit from this Oceanside Cultural District designation by the California Arts Council. Not only has it started to bring arts organizations together, but it's also provided a lot of visibility for these organizations that are doing amazing events throughout the community. We're getting a lot of people coming into Oceanside to see what it has to offer, and it has a lot of amazing cultural assets. There's events, there's music, there's food, there's theaters, there's museums, and the wonderful Oceanside Public Library. not only are organizations starting to partner together, there's more programming, there's more support between organizations, and really is coming into its own. So it's going to be amazing to see where it heads in the future.